locally what is required for all the resident doctors in this hospital. हमें ड्यूटी रूम्स चाहिए, इनफ ड्यूटी रूम्स चाहिए. वो ड्यूटी रूम्स नहीं जो 10 लोगों से शेयर होती हो. एक ड्यूटी रूम एक फीमेल रेसिडेंट के प्रोटेक्शन के लिए चाहिए जो लॉक हो सके. दूसरी बात, लोकली प्रोटेक्शन फोर्सेस होने चाहिए जो कभी भी कुछ भी गलत होता है उसके लिए हमें प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए आके खड़े रहे. हम एक बार बोले कि कोई हमें थ्रेटन कर रहा है, कोई हमें मारने आ रहा है, उसके लिए हम बोल सके, हम आवाज उठा सके और जैसे ही हम बोले लोग आके खड़े हो. इसीलिए हम चिल्ला रहे उस लड़की के लिए जो उस दिन उस रात चिल्लाई थी. उसके लिए आवाज नहीं था कोई. जितना भी वो चिल्लाई हुई होगी वो रूम में सब बंद हो गया था. अब हम आवाज उठा रहे हैं उसके लिए, हम आवाज उठा रहे हैं अपने लिए. तीसरी चीज, सेंट्रल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट. सेंट्रल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट अगर होएगा तो सबको प्रोटेक्शन मिलेगा, सारे रेसिडेंट्स को प्रोटेक्शन मिलेगा, सारे रेसिडेंट्स को प्रोटेक्शन मिलेगा और हम सब साथ में खड़े होकर रहेंगे. हम सब, अगर आप हमें प्रोटेक्शन दोगे तो आज हम जितने लोग हैं हम आपको बेटर सर्व कर सकेंगे. इसीलिए हम आज खड़े हैं. हम आपसे पूछ रहे हैं, हमारी आवाज को आवाज दो, उस लड़की की आवाज को आवाज दो जो उस दिन रेप्ड एंड मर्डर हुई थी. థ్యాంక్ యూ
మ్యామ్. స్టిల్ ఈ రేప్ అండ్ మర్డర్ అయినా కూడా ఇప్పటిదాకా అయితే ఎలాంటి యాక్షన్ తీసుకోలేదు. నిందితుడిని జస్ట్ అరెస్ట్ చేశారు కదా, సో వాడికైతే ఎలాంటి శిక్ష వేయలేదు. మరి ఎలాంటి శిక్ష వాళ్ళకి వేయాలి?
Everyone needs to be aware that a girl has been raped and murdered at her own hospital, at her own residence. If she is not safe in her residence, if she is not safe at her own home, where else will a girl will be safe? This is not a doctor's issue anymore. This is a national issue now.
What is the punishment should be given to the
the rapers, the murderers should be hanged to death. Today, every girl who undergoes rape, undergoes murder should be hanged immediately. It should be handed over to everyone responsible for it.
Ma'am, as we seen CM who is Mamata Banerjee of Bengal, West Bengal, yesterday she had done rally and this is going to take as a politics. So what you have been telling? Because her death is like a political drama.
Politics is politics. We can't help politics. But justice needs to be shared. Justice needs to be served. If she is murdered today, what if it happens to me tomorrow? We don't care about politicians, what they want to do. Our motto is justice should be served. If she stands with them, then I want her to stand for every single girl who has been raped, who has been threatened, who has gone through so much. I don't think there is any girl at this moment of time who has not been assaulted, who has not been threatened, who feels safe. Nobody feels safe. I don't know what they want to attain with politics, but today we want justice, we want safety, we want security, we want to serve better, we want to do better.